Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a long to-do list or found yourself wondering where all your time went? Planning your day effectively is the key to taking control of your schedule and making the most out of every hour. By setting clear intentions and organizing your tasks, you can reduce stress, boost productivity, and create more space for the things that truly matter. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you plan your day efficiently, ensuring you stay focused and achieve your goals. Let's start by understanding why daily planning is so important for personal and professional success. The first step in effective daily planning is to set clear, achievable goals. Start by identifying what you want to accomplish by the end of the day. These goals can be work-related, personal, or a mix of both. When your objectives are specific and realistic, it becomes much easier to prioritize your tasks and stay motivated. Remember, setting too many goals can be overwhelming, so focus on what's truly important. This clarity will guide your planning process and help you measure your progress throughout the day. Once you've set your goals, it's time to prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent and important, while others can wait. Use a simple method like the Eisenhower matrix, or just label your tasks as high, medium, or low priority. By tackling the most critical items first, you ensure that your energy is spent where it matters most. This approach prevents procrastination and helps you make steady progress toward your goals. Time blocking is a powerful technique for managing your day. Allocate specific blocks of time to each task or group of tasks. For example, you might reserve the first hour for deep work, followed by a block for meetings, and another for emails. This method helps you stay focused and prevents tasks from spilling over into each other. By assigning time slots, you create a structured routine that makes it easier to stay on track and avoid distractions. A planner, whether digital or paper, can be your best friend when it comes to organizing your day. Write down your tasks, appointments, and deadlines in one place. This visual overview helps you see what's ahead and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Many people find satisfaction in checking off completed tasks, which can boost motivation and provide a sense of accomplishment as the day progresses. Start your day with a quick review of your plan. Take a few minutes each morning to look over your schedule, adjust priorities if needed, and mentally prepare for the day ahead. This habit helps you anticipate challenges, set the right mindset, and begin your day with intention. A morning review can also help you spot any potential conflicts or time crunches before they become a problem. Large projects can feel intimidating, but breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps makes them much easier to tackle. Instead of writing "finish report," list out the specific actions required, such as gather data, write introduction, and edit draft. This approach not only clarifies what needs to be done, but also provides a sense of progress as you complete each step. Deadlines help keep you accountable, but they need to be realistic. When planning your day, estimate how long each task will take and set deadlines that challenge you without causing unnecessary stress. If you consistently miss deadlines, it may be a sign to adjust your expectations or break tasks into smaller parts. Realistic deadlines keep you moving forward and help you avoid last-minute rushes. It's easy to overlook the importance of breaks, but they are essential for maintaining focus and energy throughout the day. Schedule short breaks between tasks to rest your mind and body. Even a 5-minute walk or a quick stretch can make a big difference. Regular breaks help prevent burnout and keep you performing at your best. Distractions can derail even the best-laid plans. Identify your main sources of distraction, like social media, emails, or noisy environments, and take steps to minimize them. Consider turning off notifications, setting boundaries with others, or creating a dedicated workspace. By proactively managing distractions, you can protect your focus and make the most of your planned time. Grouping similar tasks together, known as task batching, can save you time and mental energy. For example, handle all your emails in one block, make phone calls back-to-back, or complete errands in a single trip. This reduces the time lost to context switching and helps you get into a productive flow. Task batching is especially useful for routine or repetitive activities. Reminders are a simple yet effective way to stay on track. Use alarms, notifications, or sticky notes to prompt you about important tasks or upcoming deadlines. Reminders can help you remember meetings, take breaks, or switch tasks as planned. By leveraging reminders, you can keep your day running smoothly and avoid forgetting key responsibilities. Even the best plans can encounter unexpected changes. Staying flexible allows you to adapt without losing momentum. If something urgent comes up or a task takes longer than expected, adjust your schedule as needed. Flexibility ensures that you can handle surprises gracefully and keep moving forward, rather than getting stuck or frustrated. A midday review is a great way to check your progress and make adjustments if necessary. Take a few minutes around lunchtime to see what you've accomplished and what still needs attention. This check-in helps you refocus, reprioritize, and ensure you're on track to meet your goals by the end of the day. You don't have to do everything yourself. Delegating tasks to others can free up your time for higher priority activities. Identify tasks that can be handled by colleagues, family members, or external services. Effective delegation not only lightens your load, but also empowers others and fosters teamwork. There are countless apps and tools designed to help you plan your day more effectively. From digital calendars to task managers and time trackers, technology can streamline your planning process. Explore different options to find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to mix and match tools for different needs. Effective planning isn't just about work, it's also about making time for rest and relaxation. Schedule downtime in your day to recharge, whether it's reading, meditating, or simply enjoying a hobby. Prioritizing self-care helps you maintain balance and prevents burnout in the long run. At the end of the day, take a few moments to reflect on what you accomplished. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and consider what could be improved for tomorrow. This reflection helps you learn from experience and continuously refine your planning skills. Before you end your day, spend a few minutes preparing for tomorrow. Review your upcoming tasks, set priorities, and lay out any materials you'll need. This simple habit can make your morning smoother and help you start the next day with confidence and clarity. Consistency is key to making daily planning a habit. Try to plan your day at the same time each day, whether it's in the morning or the night before. The more consistent you are, the easier it becomes to stick to your plan and see real results over time. Multitasking might seem efficient, but it often leads to mistakes and wasted time. Focus on one task at a time, giving it your full attention. This approach improves the quality of your work and helps you complete tasks more quickly and accurately. Visual aids like charts, color coding, or sticky notes can make your plan more engaging and easier to follow. Use different colors for different types of tasks or deadlines, and place visual reminders where you'll see them often. These tools can help you stay organized and motivated throughout the day. Interruptions are inevitable, but you can plan for them. Build buffer time into your schedule to handle unexpected events or urgent requests. By allowing some flexibility, you can manage interruptions without derailing your entire day. Complex plans can be hard to follow. Keep your daily plan simple and straightforward. Focus on a few key tasks, use clear language, and avoid overloading your schedule. Simplicity makes it easier to stay organized and actually get things done. Recognizing and celebrating small achievements can boost your motivation and confidence. Each time you complete a task, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. These small wins add up and keep you moving forward, even on challenging days. Organization is the backbone of effective daily planning. Keep your workspace tidy, your tools accessible, and your plans up to date. An organized environment reduces stress and helps you find what you need quickly, making it easier to stick to your plan. Look for patterns in your weekly schedule. Are there certain days or times when you're more productive? Use this insight to plan your most important tasks during your peak hours. Regularly reviewing your weekly patterns can help you optimize your daily planning for even better results. Motivation can fluctuate, but having a clear plan can help you stay on track. Remind yourself why your tasks are important and visualize the benefits of completing them. Keeping your goals in mind will help you push through difficult moments and maintain your momentum. A well-planned day includes time for both work and personal life. Make sure to schedule activities that bring you joy and relaxation alongside your professional responsibilities. Striking a balance helps you stay healthy, happy, and productive in the long run. Saying yes to every request can overload your schedule and reduce your effectiveness. Learn to say no to tasks or commitments that don't align with your priorities. Protecting your time allows you to focus on what matters most and avoid unnecessary stress. Tracking how you spend your time can reveal valuable insights. Use a journal or time tracking app to monitor your activities. This awareness helps you identify time wasters and make adjustments to improve your daily planning and productivity. No plan is perfect, and that's okay. Accept that some days won't go as expected. Instead of getting discouraged, focus on what you can control and learn from setbacks. Embracing imperfection helps you stay resilient and keep moving forward. Rewards can be a powerful motivator. Plan small rewards for completing tasks or reaching milestones, such as a favorite snack, a short walk, or a relaxing activity. These incentives make your day more enjoyable and encourage you to stick to your plan. Perfectionism can slow you down and make planning stressful. Aim for progress, not perfection. Allow yourself to make mistakes and move on. This mindset helps you stay productive and prevents you from getting stuck on minor details. Sharing your plan with others can help set expectations and avoid misunderstandings. Let colleagues, family, or friends know about your schedule, especially if you need uninterrupted time. Clear communication supports your planning efforts and builds mutual respect. Everyone has natural peaks and dips in energy throughout the day. Plan demanding tasks when you're most alert and save routine activities for lower energy periods. Matching your tasks to your energy levels can make your day more productive and less tiring. Effective planning is a skill that improves with practice and learning. Stay open to new techniques, tools, and ideas. Read books, watch videos, or talk to others about their planning strategies. Continuous learning helps you refine your approach and stay ahead. Planning your day doesn't have to be a chore. Find ways to make it enjoyable, such as using colorful pens, listening to music, or turning it into a relaxing ritual. When you enjoy the process, you're more likely to stick with it and see positive results. Accountability can help you follow through on your plans. Share your goals with a friend, join a productivity group, or use accountability apps. Knowing that someone else is aware of your plan can motivate you to stay committed and reach your targets. Regular reflection is essential for continuous improvement. At the end of each week, review what worked well and what could be better. Use these insights to adjust your planning strategies and make each day more effective than the last. A positive mindset can make planning and executing your day much easier. Focus on what you can achieve, and don't dwell on setbacks. Encouragement and optimism help you overcome obstacles and keep moving forward even when things don't go as planned. Feedback from others can help you improve your planning process. Ask for input from colleagues, friends, or family about your schedule and routines. Constructive feedback can reveal blind spots and inspire new ideas for managing your day more effectively. No plan is set in stone. Be willing to make adjustments as you go. If you find a certain strategy isn't working, try something new. Flexibility and a willingness to adapt are key to long-term success in daily planning. Let's recap the essential steps for planning your day effectively. Set clear goals, prioritize tasks, use time blocking, and stay flexible. Remember to include breaks, review your progress, and celebrate your achievements. With these strategies, you can take control of your day, reduce stress, and accomplish more with confidence. Now that you have a toolkit of effective planning strategies, it's time to put them into action. Start small, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. With consistent effort, you'll soon master the art of daily planning and enjoy the benefits of a more organized, productive life.